Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna prove all the questions of examples 5 from Plane Trigonometry by part 1 by S.L. Loni. As I have proved, I have made a notebook for that, so I would show my proofs from this. This video would become long, so I will divide this video in certain parts. So let's get started. So our first question is prove that cos to the power 4a minus sine to the power 4a plus 1 equals to 2 cos square a. So now let's start. I can write cos to the power 4a minus sine to the power 4a plus 1 as cos square a whole square minus sine square a whole square plus 1, and this can be written as cos square a minus sine square a cos square a plus sine square a plus 1, and this we know it would become 1, so this would become cos square a minus sine square a plus 1. Now we know that sine square a plus cos square a equals to 1. From here we can take sine square a as 1 minus cos square a, sine square a as 1 minus cos square a. Putting this value here equals to cos square a minus sine square a. So plus cos square a minus 1 plus 1. This would get cancelled. It would become 2 cos square a, which we were supposed to prove. Hence proved. So this is the proof for this question. Now let's go to the second question. Now we would move on to the next question, which is bracket sin a plus cos a into 1 minus sin a cos a equals to sin cube a plus cos cube a. So let's prove it. So first we would expand the bracket. Sin a minus sin square a cos a plus cos a minus sin a cos square a. Now let's arrange the terms. Sin a minus sin a cos square a minus sin square a cos a plus cos a. Taking sin a common from here it would 1 minus cos square a. Taking cos a common, here it would be 1 minus sin square a. Now we know that sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. From here 1 minus cos square a equals to sin square a and 1 minus sin square a equals to cos square a. So putting these values in this brackets, sin a 1 minus cos square a sin square a plus cos a 1 minus sin square a is cos square a, sin cube a plus cos cube a. Hence we are done. Hence proved. So now we would move on to the next question. So our next question is sin a upon 1 plus cos a plus 1 plus cos a upon sin a equals to 2 cosec a. So now how to do this question? First we would multiply this. First we would add this fractions, sin square a plus 1 plus cos a whole square, 1 plus cos square a plus 2 cos a upon sin a plus sin a cos a. Now sin square a cos square a 1 plus 2 cos a upon Sin A common, 1 plus cos A. Here it will become 2 plus 2 cos A upon sin A common, 1 plus cos A. Taking 2 common from here, 1 plus cos A again, and here also sin A, 1 plus cos A. Cancelling out these terms, 2 upon sin A. So 2 upon sin A. We know that 1 upon sin A is nothing but cosec A. So this would become 2 times cosec A. We are done. Hence proved. So now we would move on to our next question. Yes. So our next question is cos to the power 6a plus sine to the power 6a equals to 1 minus 3 times sine square a cos square a. So cos to the power 6a plus sine to the power 6a can be written as cos square a whole cube plus sine square a cube. We know that a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. We would apply it here. A plus b cos square a plus b, a square cos 4a plus b square minus ab, cos square into sine square, minus cos square a sine square a equals to, this would become 1. So we would be left with cos to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4a minus cos square a sine square a. Now what can we do here? See, this can be written as cos square a whole square plus sine square a whole square. Can we add and subtract terms like minus cos square a sine square a? So what will I do here is that I would add plus 3 cos square a sine square a and minus 3 cos square a sine square a. So this would become an identity, a square plus b square, and this would become plus 2ab. So this would become cos square a plus sine square a whole square, and this minus 3 cos square a sine square a. But we know that cos square a plus sine square a is 1. So this would be 1 minus 3 cos square a sine square a. So we are done again. Hence proved. So now let's move on to our next question, and this would be the final question for today's session, for today's video. So the question is 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a equals to sec a minus tan a. So let's prove this question. 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a. Now we can multiply and divide by 1 minus sin a and 1 minus sin a. This would become 1 minus sin a whole square upon a plus b a minus b, 1 minus sin square a. This would be released from the bracket, 1 minus sin a, and this would be left 1 minus sin square a. But from our identity sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1, we know that 1 minus sin square a is nothing but cos square a. So 1 minus sin a upon under root of cos square a equals to 1 minus sin a upon cos a. So it can be written as 1 upon cos a minus sin a upon cos a. We know that 1 upon cos a is nothing but sec a, and sin a upon cos a is tan a, and here we are done. hence proved. So this is the first part of this series. I will be uploading more videos with new questions again. So for till then, goodbye, thank you.